Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today I gonna show you how to design a logo with letters. I will design it using Adobe Illustrator software. Here is the logo that I will design now. It's my own design. So let's begin. First of all, I will create the letter S and I will create it by shapes without any font. Now create a shape just with stroke color. Enhance the stroke color to 35. Make it a little bit smaller. I need two shapes to create S letter. So make another copy. Then select the left side of the first shape and make it round. Do the same thing with the second shape's right side. Select both shapes and expand them. Now remove these parts from both letters by Shape Builder tool. And then delete these extra parts also. Make these round. Then it will look better. So my first letter is completely ready. Now need to make another letter and I will create it on S. Add a small vertical shape on S. Then remove or delete a little bit from S. So it could look like F2. Now fill color as it has on the logo. Okay. It looks good. Now create a circle by ellipse 2 just with stroke color and expand the stroke a little bit more. Select the whole logo and expand it again so it could maintain the expected ratio I want. Then group both letters and select the whole logo again. And then make all elements middle aligns. Now save this file on the desktop. Now place this logo on a mockup. Open a 3D mockup. Then click on the smart object and place the logo there. So it looks more realistic and beautiful. Now save the mockup file on the destination. I designed it for a logo contest on the Freelancer Marketplace. Now open both logos on the desktop to compare. Now look. Our logo is ready as the previous design. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.